Well, this looks a little bit different, and we got a lot of changes going on. So let me go ahead and explain what we're doing here and what you can expect. So it's been a little while since we've done a previous update video. I think a lot of the stuff I said in that previous update video was pretty much a lie. I don't think I did any of that. But this stuff is actually happening. Stuff is changing, and we're making some big changes around here. So let me explain what we're doing here. So first of all, this iMac is part of a big project we're working on. We are buying broken Macs and we're fixing them up. This is going to be a several part series, and we're going to do this mostly throughout the summer, hopefully. Buying broken computers and fixing them. You can expect the first video in a couple of weeks. We're getting just started right now buying parts. I bought 8 computers in the last week, spent over $1,000 on broken Macs, and we are going to have some really awesome content for you guys. So I'm so excited. I haven't fixed a Mac in over 5 years, so it's going to be a lot of fun fixing these broken computers. Second of all, we are changing up the studio. I am now sitting instead of standing, and we kind of got a little bit of a mess of stuff on the table. We are reorganizing the studio. We're swapping out cameras. This is our new camera we're using right now. Let me know what you think. We're no longer using the big, giant, fancy red camera. That's going to be our B-roll camera now. We're using a more manageable camera for the studio since it's smaller. We're going to have more of a compact setup. The microphone you can see right here, you probably can't because I've cropped this to 2x1, so that's good. Microphone, and then now we have this camera right here, this phone. These are going to be both mounted overhead permanently using an overhead camera rig. We'll make a video about that as well. But we're going to be drilling into the ceiling to hang phones and microphones. It's going to be pretty cool. We're going to have a pretty awesome overhead setup. And that's going to be a large part because of the fact that we're going to be fixing MacBooks. I want to show you what we're doing, and overhead shot is going to be the best for that. Along with that, we are going to be reorganizing the bookshelf, and I guess that's pretty much it. But cameras are changing out, and we're going to be swapping up some of the lighting techniques. We're going to try to go away from the colorful lights and go for more of a natural, well-lit look like we have, similar to right now. A little bit of shadows. Still trying to work on lighting right now. May hang a fill light from the ceiling too. I don't know. So we just got a key light right now in a window. That's all we got right now. And the final thing I want to talk about is the Tesla. We do have a Tesla now. I finally got my Tesla. I've been waiting since 2014 for one. I finally got one, and I'm so excited for it. I've been making a couple of videos over the past month or so. I've had it for a month. Making a couple of videos about it, and just showing you a couple of the things that are new and coming out, but not a specific video dedicated to the car itself. That is going to be coming soon. We are just waiting for the weather to be right, and we're going to film a really awesome video about the Tesla. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. We've done so many changes to it over the past month. I have made a number of cosmetic changes to the car, and I'm so excited to show you. We got a carbon fiber spoiler, sport pedals, chrome delete, center console wrap, so many different things. I can't wait to show you. Her name is Eva. You helped me pick out the name. It's so cool that you guys helped me pick out the car name, and I'll explain more about the name and everything else in another video. But just know that that's coming in a couple weeks as well, along with our video where we start fixing up these computers. It's going to be at least 2 parts. One part will fix up MacBooks, another part will fix up iMacs. I have 3 iMacs and then 5 MacBooks right now. I want to get more. I spent $1,000 so far. So my goal is to fix up all these computers that I have, sell them. Once we sell those, then we'll have for the money to go ahead and buy more broken computers. I want to do this all summer, so let's see what we can do. Let me know if you have any suggestions for broken computers that I should check out. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm so excited to share with you some of the new things we got coming. New studio, new projects with fixing computers, and of course I can't wait to show you my Tesla. So that is all coming very soon. Thank you for your following and support. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll guys see you in the next one. I'll see you Saturday, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.